back again with another video. So today is a little bit different than what we've been doing. So this weekend is actually my high school's homecoming weekend, and they called up the cheerleaders and was like, listen, we need y'all to come out, it's alumni night, da 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 da. So of course your girl had to go pop out real quick and let them know that auntie still got it in her or whatever. So here I am. This is our natural mommy unit. It's a 6x6 closure, 18, 20, and 22 of our kinky straight hair. This is actually like my favorite wig of all time. It looks so natural. It's so good.
The truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top top right with.
So I wanted to do something a little bit different with the styling. So this is the look that I'm going for. It's a new little viral style that's been going around, but I wanted to do it with the closure instead of a frontal because I really be trying to tell the girls, like, listen, you can do damn near the same hairstyles with the frontal that you can do with the closure. So here I am. I'm just parting everything out. I'm just gonna let y'all watch me work. It took me a good little minute to get this wig right though. I am gonna do this style again on a frontal, but just watch me do what I do.
Can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. Are you fronting on me and I'm a main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you threatening me then I'm the main one crying? Just trying to be away with you, main one crying. Are you fronting on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and I'm the main one crying? I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing twisty slides in both ways. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. You know she want mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, we're rider. This that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. This that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit.
So let me tell y'all about this brush. This brush right here was a game changer. I found it in like a TJ Maxx or something, probably like 2 years ago. And it gets my natural hair as well as this kinky straight texture, which is pretty much like my natural hair. It does so well. Like, that's just one pass. If I actually went in with like thinner sections, because these are quadruple tracks in this wig right here, if I went in with thinner sections and just did the double tracks alone, then the hair would be so bone straight you would think that it was a perm. Like, it's crazy how good this brush works. But I'm just gonna let y'all keep watching me work.
Are you mad? Say that pretty mixed up, but this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody, bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Shit crazy. Gotta do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spend what you wanna, be who you wanna be. One stunner to the idea.
And again, this is an Erica J Stan account. So first I'm gonna go in and lay my edges down with that liquid melt, and then I'm gonna go in with the Hold Me Down adhesive and the Skin Guard, the watermelon scent, and just go ahead and prep my skin and get everything together so I can lay this wig down. So normally I don't really keep my wigs on that long whenever I glue my wigs on. So I like to go in with probably about 2 layers. If I know I'm gonna be doing like a lot of activity, a lot of sweating, things like that, I'm gonna go in with like 3 to 4 layers, and that normally lasts really well on my skin. It really depends on your skin type. I'm not really an oily girl. I have pretty normal skin. If anything, my skin will get dry. So I can kind of go in with less. If you're more oily, you would want to make sure that you're properly cleaning the skin. And then also going in with maybe 3 to 4 layers of glue, or maybe even 5. You can go up to 7 layers with this glue.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job.
So this was the night before the game. So here I am. This is a little bit before the game, getting ready. I just needed to do my baby hair and touch up the lace just a little bit. Basically finish me doing the melting process to the lace. And then we are all set. At the end, it's just a little mini vlog of us at the game. You can see us cheering.
And I'm in too. Ho, I got something that I could lend you. Ho, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I f*** your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Coles, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young chiller, girl, I'm known as Pen Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Huh. Girl, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, so much to live for, to, baby. Whoa. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got.
Stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep the hope. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out Sushi Sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO.
Hey guys! Hey guys! How's it going? So, if you want to see us, yeah, you better check these out. Warriors are number one. That is you. Now, if you want to see us, yeah, you better check these out. Warriors are number one. That is you. Now, if you want to see us, yeah, you better check these out. Warriors are number one. That is now, if you want to see us, yeah, you better check this out. Check it out. LHS. Do you like what you see? A warrior is what you want to be. So can you shake like a warrior? Shake, pop, pop. Like a warrior, pop, move. Like a warrior, move and sweat. All that we do. Do you like what you see? A warrior is what you want to be. So can you shake?
That pass is
Warrior, shake, pop, pop. Like a warrior, pop, move. Like a warrior, move and sweat. All that we do.